Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche in Little Chef. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This easy method uses a pre-made pie crust, 4 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk or cream. You'll also need about 4 ounces of your favorite shredded cheese. Don't forget to prepare any fillings you desire, like cooked ham, sautéed mushrooms, or fresh spinach. This simple approach makes quiche accessible for anyone. Now, let's assemble our delicious quiche. Carefully press your pre-made pie crust into your Little Chef pan, ensuring it fits snugly. Trim any excess crust around the edges for a neat finish. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 4 large eggs, 1 cup of milk or cream, and a dash of salt and pepper. Then, evenly distribute your prepared fillings and shredded cheese over the bottom of the crust. It's time to bake your quiche to perfection. Gently pour the whisked egg and milk mixture over the fillings in your prepared pie crust. Make sure the liquid is evenly distributed. Place your Little Chef pan into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is set and the top has a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, remove your quiche from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This resting period helps the quiche set properly, making it easier to slice. Serve your warm, homemade quiche with a crisp side salad for a delightful and satisfying meal. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.